All right, so if we think about what we just did, okay, I want you, because we've been working on this for a couple days, walk me through number 2. What should be the first thing that I do? You should have said, Mrs. Sherman, you need to draw your barrier. Then what do I need to do? Mrs. Sherman, you need to combine like terms. So I look at my 1. What do you do with that? Mrs. Sherman, you should add it to the 5. Those are in the same tree, so add them together. That would give me 6. Now what do I need to do? Mrs. Sherman, what goes in the same tree as a 2x? Nothing. Okay. So Mrs. Sherman, you need to write minus 2x. And then on the other side, Mrs. Sherman, you have equals 16 because you have not done anything with it yet. Okay? So now what do I need to do? Mrs. Sherman, what do you want to get alone? Well, I want to get the x alone. Okay. So to get the x alone, you need to circle what is with the x. Okay, but now what do I do? Cool story, bro. I got that circled. Now what? Mrs. Sherman, you are moving this 6, right? Well, it's on the same side but not circled, so that makes sense. So how do you move it? Well, right now it's plus, so the inverse is minus. So I minused it. Now what? Mrs. Sherman, you have to do it on the other side. Oh, my bad. 10 minus 6 is 10. On the left side, I still have negative 2x. All right, Mrs. Sherman, now what are you doing? Well, 2 numbers are next to each other. Oh, I need to add 2. Mrs. Sherman, what operation are those? Well, the 2 and the x are next to each other. I don't know. Multiplication? That is multiplication, Mrs. Sherman. So what's the inverse? Division. Okay, so we're going to divide on both sides by negative 2. So x equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 positive divided by negative is negative 5. Good. All right. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to try to do number 3. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to try to do number 3. Welcome back. So we should have combined like terms first. Some people are going to be like, there's not a number here. I don't know what that means. So that just means that there is one of those x's. So we have 2 and 1. That gives us negative 3x. Then we have our plus 4. And then we have our equals negative 17. On both sides, what should you have done? Minus 4 here, minus 4 here. That gives me negative 3x. And that gives me negative 21. Divide that bad boy by 3, negative. And your final answer should have been positive 7. Your final answer should have been positive 7. Hopefully you're feeling better today.